breadboard activity, we will see how to change the brightness of an LED using a potentiometer. So this is the potentiometer, 10K potentiometer. Just insert it here, all the 3 pins of this, and then take one resistor just below this side's last pin, and here somewhere on this breadboard. Then take LED. The longer leg of this LED must go above this end resistor, and shorter leg here, and the connections are done. So now we will check how this works. So this positive wire just below this middle pin, and negative below this shorter leg. Now this LED glows. Now we can change this brightness by rotating this. You can see the brightness of this LED changes. This is the maximum, and this is the minimum brightness. Now we'll check this with another LED. Same connections, positive like this side and negative this side. So the LED is glowing. You can change this. Yeah, maximum brightness, and this is the minimum. Now another LED. We'll take yellow colors. And now this is green color. This is the maximum brightness. Rotate minimum. So you can change the brightness of an LED using a potentiometer.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a future video from STEM Sun Q.